Okay, the bolts, the way this is set up, there's a bolt and a washer. They go together like so, and this one-handed. This goes inside of this sleeve like so, and you can see that the sleeve has an oblong shape to it, so it's got two flat sides to it. Those two flat sides fit into the hole right there, okay? So you have to get that lined up. And then on the other sleeve also has two flat sides, so those go together. And what happens is when you thread these and you tighten them down, this part is going to pull up into here, and these are going to flange out on the inside of the frame. So it's from what I can see, it looks like it's maybe a one-time deal. Once you put it in, you're not going to be able to take it out, because if you go to take it out, if you remove this bolt, this part is going to fall inside the frame. So I think it's a one-shot deal. I don't know if there's a way to take these out or not, from what I can see. But there's 3 of these on the low-profile rock sliders. They go in here. The other thing to consider is if you're thinking about the decals on the side, you can either leave those on or you can take them off. I decided to leave them on, but if you're going to take them off, and let's say you want to put them on the side of the rock sliders, you need to take it off before you put the rock slider up there, because you won't be able to get these off again, from what I can tell. These are going to go, they're going to fit right inside this hole in the frame, and when you suck that down tight, that inner sleeve is going to pull against the outer sleeve, and it's going to cause it to flange out and be inside of here. It's going to pull it tight. So I don't think you can loosen them up ever again, because if you do, again, that inner sleeve is just going to fall inside the frame on you. Okay, hope this helps, but that's the first part of the installation. Okay, and then of course what I did is I put all 3 of these in, put the sleeves on the bottom, kind of tighten them up, snug them up so they're just ready to go in. Then I'm going to take this, hold it up to the side, the razor, fit them into those holes that I showed in the frame, and then I'm going to suck them down tight. Alright, so that bolt slides right into the hole in the frame right there. There's 3 of them. Of course, one down there, one up here. I'll go ahead and snug these up with my, doesn't take much for it to hold. I'll line up all 3 of them, get them loosely fitted, and then I'll come back and tighten everything up. Okay, one little snafu, I'll show you in the photo. The washer on the outside that's welded to the tube was welded off center, so there was a little bit of a flat spot. We had to take a taper bit to this and open it up a little bit. Polaris RZR Trail 900 Ultimate. This thing's amazing. Did I say it's amazing? This thing is amazing.